Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your Mac and iPhone. This is required because Apple restricts GPS injection. Plug the device into the Mac with a cable, then enable developer mode on the iPhone so Xcode can pair. Once paired, sign into Xcode with your Apple ID and trust the computer on the phone. This grants the app provisioning needed to run a simple debug session. Make sure Xcode recognizes the device in the Devices and Simulators window before moving on. Now you load the fake location via a GPX file so apps see the new coordinates. In Xcode, open any simple app project or create a blank one. Select the connected iPhone as the run target. Next, add a GPX file containing the latitude/longitude you want, or choose one from Debug Simulate Location. Once the app runs in a debug session, the system location services on that device will reflect the GPX coordinates, which affects apps that read core. Finish by running the app with the GPX selected, then open Maps or your target app to confirm the reported location. When done, stop the debug session and remove or deselect the GPX to restore normal GPS behavior. If the simulated location doesn't appear, repair the device, quit and reopen Xcode, and restart the iPhone. Sometimes the device cache needs clearing. Make sure developer mode remains enabled and that the app has location permissions. Those two items commonly block the simulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.